Rest is productive. Doing nothing is sometimes doing everything. You know, as we grow up, akala talaga natin na pag busy tayo, ayun yung matatawag natin na successful tayo. But at the end of the day, as you really reach a point of maturity, you realize that that isn't the true standard of life. It doesn't mean that you are busy, that you are successful. A lot of people are so tired and burnt out. Human beings aren't designed to survive in constant survival mode. Kung ang mga gadgets nga natin napapagod, di ba? Nauubusan ng battery, even AI, robots, nauubusan ng power supply. Even solar panels, kahit hindi sila sinasaksak sa kuryente, they are recharging through sun. Paano pa kaya tayo mga tao? We need to rest. At kahit nga tayo, pwede natin gamitin yung sun to recharge our holistic being. Habang maaga pa, I encourage you to change your mindset. Some people even die because they are working too much. Yung mga sobrang successful na tao, they are so passionate, but they had this standard sa utak nila na kailangan non-stop pukpukan talaga ng trabaho. Di ba? Anong nangyayari? They don't realize it, but their bodies are giving up and they die. We don't want that. Yung demands ng life, ng society, ng ibang tao, could damage our mental health and our physical health. Kasi kahit nga pets and animals who live in the wild, they who have the greatest stamina, they need to rest to hibernate. Human beings need to slow down every once in a while. If slowing down in your life is not really your thing, you really need to do that. Schedule it. It's for your well-being. I really value slowing down in life. My life was very fast-paced before. I worked at a young age. As a teenager, I was already a breadwinner. And I was really young when I was at the peak of my acting career. And akala ko nun, sobrang successful ko kasi nga, di ba? Halos wala akong pahinga eh. Shoot dito, shoot dyan, event dito, event dyan. But actually, when I keep on looking back, I don't even remember those times. Hindi ko naaalala yung mga panahon na sobrang booked and busy ko sa buhay ko. Parang life just passed me by. Kasi I was constantly jumping from one thing to another at a fast speed. I wasn't able to just breathe in the moment at times and slow down because I really thought that that was the gold standard. Of course, working hard is great. Madami ka ma-achieve. It's a key to success. But then again, what does success even mean? As you reach a certain age, some people, they mature very early. They already realize that the quality of life varies from one person to another. And I am a Capricorn. We are really known for working our asses off. I am an overachiever. Hindi talaga ako tumitigil until I know that I did my best and I worked my hardest for me and my family. And that's what I did. And I give myself credit for that. I am proud of what I have achieved.